Here we have a 1930 Ford Model A Sports Coupe. Very nice looking car that just came into us just the way you see it. This one's got all the right looks, great colors on it. Tires are good on it as well. And this is a sports coupe, not just a regular coupe. But take a look at the body lines here. Paint, again, you'll notice nice reflection. There's no rust bubbling at the bottom there or anything like that. This is a sports coupe with a rumble seat. Ford spare tire with the cover on the back. Get a look inside the rumble seat. Again, inside the rails here are all very solid. The lip of the rumble seat is solid. This car's obviously had good care throughout its life, and of course has been restored at some point. If you look at the car up close, there's a few just typical kind of light storage, light storage scratches. I can show you a couple of them. I don't know if you can see this kind of stuff on the hood a little bit. Just a few minor things like that. We have not buffed the car, so a little bit of buffing might help that, might go a long way as well. But again, as you can see, the car looks great. We just want you to know any of the little things that are there. The interior is redone correctly. Excellent upholstery inside. The car is free of any odors. It doesn't smell like an old musty barn or anything like that inside. Very nice and clean, tidy car. And we'll get you a peek under the engine here. There we go. All right. You'll be able to see all of the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, and financing is available as well.